Hello, everybody. As you can see, I'm still on summertime mode, but I'm trying to get ready for my school year to start just one little item at a time. And in this short video, I'm going to show you how I use AI to grab a quote of the week. I'll put a little quote, inspirational quote up in the corner of my whiteboard each week. And well, it helps me. I don't know if it helps the students, but it helps me. I like it. So here we go. Let me go to ChatGPT where I've got a prompt already asking for 45 inspirational quotes from famous inventors, coaches, leaders, even fictional people like everyone's favorite Coach Lasso. See what it comes up with.
All right.
Everybody from Alan Key, Churchill, Disney, sports figures like Muhammad Ali and Wayne Gretzky. And there we go. We got some Ted Lasso in there. So my school year is not 45 weeks long. I think it's 40. But I just wanted to get a little bit extra in case I don't like it. And then, hey, it asks if I would like to put it in a spreadsheet form. Yes, please. Let's see what it looks like now. So it just gave me a CSV file that I can click on. All right. So after uploading it to Google Sheets, it gave me the quote and the author. This will make my life a little bit easier, or definitely a lot easier. So now what I'll do is I'll copy and paste the ones I like into the quote of the week and maybe even add a column on the right for author. So thanks so much, ChatGPT and AI. How else are you using AI in your classroom to help prepare for the school year and work smarter, not harder?